In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a resume or CV page to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to update. Once you are on the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy website builder. When the editor opens, add a new page for your resume or CV. If you already have a page where you want to place this information, you can open that page instead. After that, navigate directly to the resume or CV page inside the editor so you can begin customizing it. Next, click the Add Section button that appears between the existing sections on the page. GoDaddy will show you a list of section categories that you can use. For a resume or CV layout, the most useful categories are usually about, content, or features. Open one of these categories and look through the available designs. Choose a layout that works well for presenting professional information in a clean and organized way. Then click Add to place it on the page. Now begin replacing the default content with your own information. Change the heading to your name or to the title of your resume or CV. Then edit the body text so it includes your professional summary, work experience, education, and key skills. Keep the information clear and easy to scan so visitors can quickly understand your background. If the layout includes an image area, upload a professional profile photo. This can help make the page look more polished and personal. If you need more space for other details, add more sections to the page. You can create separate areas for certifications, projects, achievements, or contact information, depending on what you want to showcase. Once everything has been added, review the full resume or CV page carefully inside the editor. Check the layout, spacing, wording, and overall appearance. Make sure each section is complete and that the page presents your experience in a professional way. After reviewing the content, click Preview to see how the page will appear on your live website. This gives you a chance to confirm that everything looks right before making it public. If you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make your resume or CV page live on your GoDaddy website. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.